This everyday routine, I promise you, will keep you smelling good for the next 24 hours, and every man should be doing it. Let's hop into it. 1. Shave your problem areas. For example, what are the areas that smell the worst in your body? Your armpits, your balls? It's usually those. Those areas also trap a lot of heat, which means if you're able to reduce some of that heat, you're going to allow for some airflow, for some freshness, and cut down some of the bad smell. Heat produces sweat, which produces bacteria, and it's the bacteria that smells bad, which means you grab your trimmer, you bring down the pits, you bring down the private areas. We're slowly getting there. 2. Shower in the morning. You smell musty, bro. When you've been in bed, rolling around in your sweat, I can't tell you how many people I've met that do this. That's disgusting. Like, people can tell you have not showered today. You smell musty. You have to shower every morning. That's the best way to start your day. You feel refreshed and you'll smell amazing the rest of the day. So when you step in the shower, use a good shampoo, use a good body wash that smells amazing, that'll have you stepping out smelling it. You just applied a whole fragrance, and I promise you, you'll smell better. And here's what I'm gonna do for you. This is a one-day offer. We've never done anything like this because I want you to shower properly. Remember our silicone body scrubber? Remember that limited supply? We never released it. Well, we have a very, very limited supply. I think we only have like 200 in stock right now. That body scrubber was gonna sell for around 50 bucks. I'm gonna do a special kit for you. That body scrubber, our body wash, and our deodorant. You see this 3-kit combo? I'm gonna send this to you completely free. You heard that right. But this is only for the dudes that have the proper shower routine. If you guys subscribe to our shower bundle kit, which I'm gonna have it linked down below, when you subscribe to that kit, it's gonna get delivered to your door every 60 days. That way you always have the right products that you need in your bathroom to smell amazing. When you subscribe to that kit, I'm gonna send you our second shower kit completely free, only for the first month, obviously, because I'm about to lose stupid money. I'm gonna lose stupid money. I'm gonna be honest with you, because you're getting an entire kit completely free, including our silicone body scrubber, which is limited edition, and it's never gonna go on sale, which means those of you that subscribe will be the only ones in the world that have our heat grooming body scrubber. That silicone scrubber, bro, forget about it. You'll never have to shower with a loofah or a towel again. It cleans itself. It exfoliates the skin. Bro, if you want this free kit, all you gotta do is subscribe to our shower kit. That way you get our body wash, our shampoo, and our conditioner delivered to your door every 60 days, and you're looking like the man. If you guys wanna check that out, again, limited time. This will only be open for the next 24 hours, which means if you don't click that link down below, you missed out. You missed out on an insane deal. 3, use lotion. See, when you start using lotion, not only are you trapping the hydration from stepping out the shower, but when it comes to smelling good, when you apply any sort of fragrance on top of it, it's gonna stay at the top layer of your skin. See, when your skin is dry and you apply a fragrance or anything like that, your skin absorbs it instantly. That's why your fragrances don't last long. That's why when you spray something on that you think you smell good, 2-3 hours later, you smell neutral. Takes us to number 4. I need you to scrape down your tongue. See, when it comes to brushing your teeth and oral care, it's not just flossing and brushing. You have to attack your tongue. If you don't have a tongue scraper, you can grab some floss and just scrape it down. All that gunk that you see, all the white stuff, that's the stuff that smells bad. 90% of the bad breath you have comes from your tongue. Obviously, number 5, now you apply the fragrance. You have the lotion, you're fresh out the shower. If you're using heat grooming stuff, you can't skip this step because you're gonna smell amazing. But even if you wanna up it one notch, grab a nice fragrance, bro. Spray it on, stack it on, and now you're gonna smell the good stuff. Which takes us on to number 6. Before you put the clothes on, you gotta put on deodorant. Make sure you put deodorant not only on your armpits, but on your balls as well. This is the step that so many guys forget. Ball deodorant is a game changer. When you put it on, you're gonna get this chilly sensation. It's gonna feel phenomenal. Then the rest of the day, it's gonna feel like you have like an air conditioner. You're just gonna feel the coolness on your balls. Game changing. Game changing, and then like 6 hours later, you're not gonna have swamp balls. What you're gonna have is cedar wood, fragrance level smelling ball sack. That's game changing. Ultimately, rolls on to number 7. If you really wanna smell amazing, buy hairspray. There's certain fragrance spray, and a lot of high-end designers do this, like the big name brands, your Kilian, your Byredo, etc., that do fragrance sprays. It's about 20-30 bucks. You can find it online. Game changing. game changing, and it's one of the nicest ways to layer on fragrances. Think of what we did this entire routine, right? At every step of the way, we were layering on these scents. I promise you, by the end, you're not only gonna smell phenomenal, better than all of the other dudes, you're gonna smell great for the rest of the day. That's it for your boy. If you guys wanna check out that insane free offer that we're running, I'm telling you, it's only on for the next 24 hours. Your boy's out.